not get it. I'm trying to tell him right now. Hold on one second. Hey guys, DJ Mike D here. Don't forget on my new channel over at twitch.tv/DJ_Mike D. You can join me tonight at 5 p.m. I'm going to be showing you what equipment I use and how I create those incredible finales for my events. So join me again tonight at 5 p.m. If you haven't already, head over to the Twitch channel. It's twitch.tv/DJ_Mike D. And follow the channel so you guys can join the conversation and be a part of it. We're going to have a great time tonight, and I'm going to show you some of the techniques I use to make it quick and easy. But let me give you a sample of what I create at the end of my events, and I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. Check it out.
My brother, he means a lot to me, and you know, he's always been there for me. He stuck up for me when I needed it the most. To Mariah and Nick, I love you guys.
I welcome you to my family with open arms as my brother. You are the perfect guy for my sister, and you guys represent the true meaning of love, and I can't wait to see where the next chapter of life takes you both. To a lifetime of love and happiness. Cheers.
I, Nick, take you, Mariah, to be my wife.
I, Mariah, take you, Nicholas. Mariah, take you, Nicholas, to be my husband, to have and to hold,
For better or for worse,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and in health,
until death do us part.
So don't forget to head over to twitch.tv/DJ_Mike D and follow the channel. Join us in the conversation. And if you miss it, come on over. We're going to have the VOD available for you to watch anyway after the fact. But we'd love to have you there live. We'll see you guys tonight at 5 p.m. Have a great day.